People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. If you spend an extra hour each day of study in your chosen field, you will be a national expert in that field in 5 years or less. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. Most people tiptoe their way through life, hoping they make it safely to death. Dream what you dare to dream. Go where you want to go. Be what you want to be. The strangest secret in the world is that you become what you think about. Success is not the result of making money. Earning money is the result of success, and success is in direct proportion to our service. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. A great attitude is not the result of success. Success is the result of a great attitude. Don't let the fear of the time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. The time will pass anyway. We might just as well put that passing time to the best possible use. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Instead of competing, all we have to do is create. Your rewards in life are in direct proportion to your service. Our rewards in life will always be in exact proportion to the amount of consideration we show toward others. Control your thoughts. Decide about that which you will think and concentrate upon. You are in charge of your life to the degree you take charge of your thoughts. Whatever the majority of people is doing under any given circumstances, if you do the exact opposite, you will probably never make another mistake as long as you live. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. Visualization is the human being's vehicle to the future, good, bad, or indifferent. It's strictly in our control. All you have to do is hold your goal before you, and everything else will take care of itself. Preparation for life is so important. Luck is what happens when preparedness meets opportunity. Opportunity is all around us. Are you prepared? If a person will spend 1 hour a day on the same subject for 5 years, that person will be an expert on that subject. If the average person realized the power he wields over his life and destiny, he would live in a perpetual state of wonder and thanksgiving. By being persistent, you're demonstrating faith. Persistence is simply another word for faith. If you didn't have faith, you'd never persist. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. We will receive not what we idly wish for, but what we justly earn. Our rewards will always be in exact proportion to our service. Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations. The picture you have of yourself, your self-esteem, will have a profound effect on the way you see the world and the way your world sees you. Your world and everything in it is a reflection of your own mental attitude toward yourself. Everything that's really worthwhile in life comes to us free: our minds, our souls, our bodies, our hopes, our dreams, our intelligence, our love of family and friends and country. All of these priceless possessions are free. The more intensely we feel about an idea or a goal, the more assuredly the idea, buried deep in our subconscious, will direct us along the path to its fulfillment. We are all creatures of habit. We can do most things without even thinking about them. Our bodies take charge and do them for us. One thing a goal must do is fill us with positive emotion when we think about it. The more intensely we feel about a goal, the more progressively we'll move toward it. The amount of money we receive will always be a direct ratio to the demand for what we do, our ability to do it, and the difficulty in replacing us. Your rewards will be determined by the extent of your contribution, that is your service to others. Ask yourself every morning, how can I increase my service today? Your rewards, all the years of your life, will be in precise proportion to your service. You are here to serve others, just as they serve you.